So hi guys, I'm recording with Smart Little Champ and today I'm going to tell you how to make your own Flappy Bird game in Code.20. So let's get started. First, full open your browser, any browser you are having, type the Code.20, then go in course catalog. Okay guys, in course catalog, wait, yes, as you can see, our screen will look like this in course catalog. Now scroll down, here we will find grade K5, click then in grade K5 you find learn more, click on that. Now see we want course C and you can eject it from this Flappy Bird in Minecraft image. So now click on that and now go downside in events. Yes, in events here you will find build a Flappy game. So go in second practice. Okay guys, second practice. Click or tap the to move. Yes. When click flap a normal amount. When click event. See, we will do like this. Flap a normal amount or any amount you want that it should flap very large amount, very small, random amount. Random it will be not. So now we can test it's working or not. Wait guys. Flap a normal amount. When click, see, it's working. Yes, as you can see. Now continue. Next. Now wait. Now we want when run event allow. First of all read instruction because instruction will tell you everything. Try adding a block. Button is process. See. When flap a normal amount. When click flap a normal amount. Okay guys. After that flap a set speed to game start. Set speed very fast or I'm doing it as normal. Yes, as you can see it's done. Now continue. This video will be a little bit longer. Wait, let me delete this. Yes, end game. First of all flap a normal amount. When click play a wind sound. Play a wind sound when run set speed to normal and when hit the ground. See it's new for her. When hit the ground. When hit the ground end game. End game, okay guys. And we can here not it yes see play wing sound. We can also do like this. I have already done this. When click play a wing sound and flap no. See, this will come here, flap a normal amount, yes. See, game over. Our game is over now after hitting the obstacle. When we will hit the ground, our game will be over. Okay guys, wait, end game. Hit an obstacle. Flappy crashes. When hit an obstacle, game ends when Flappy crashes into the set of pipes. Okay, here also we will when hit an obstacle, end game. End play. We can also add a sound because it will look more interesting. Play a sad sound. Okay guys, let's see it's working or not. Game over. See, it has also played sound. Now continue. Wait, it's loading. Lesson 15 build a Flappy game. Okay guys, icon means that a level is part of a larger project. This icon means that this is a larger project. This set score given plus Flappy when pass an obstacle. Wait. We have added a scoreboard to count points when Flappy passes an obstacle. See. When pass an obstacle, score a point and play splash. Okay. Let's see it's working or not. Yes. Yes, see, as you can see, it's working. Hit an obstacle. Play crash sound. Hit an obstacle. Wait, it's Prestige 15 of Puzzle 7. Okay. Lesson 7, build a flappy game. See, click the flap a normal on flapping. See if you can still score. Now we have to see that if flappy is no. Wait. We can also when run do these set speed. If flappy will flap wait, it is normal amount. Yes, if flappy will flap normal amount, then we can also score a point. Yes, we can score a point. Which way it's not working? Larger amount, small. Yes, we have to check that in a larger amount it can score or not in normal, because normal it is only. Wait, I have not scored yet. Let me score a point. I'm not nice there. Yes. Wait, feeling stuck. Click the light bulb for a hint. If you are not getting, you can click on want a hint. Yes. Track flap when click. When click flap a large amount. Okay. Now let's see. Wait, when click flap, we have to score a point. I have not scored a point. We have to score a point. Yes, I have scored point. I have not scored point. That's not working. It's puzzle 8. We are having 12 puzzles. When pass an obstacle, seen by attaching a block to one run event. See, here we have to do. See, here we have to set a scene. There's this block. See, now in instruction it is speaking. Next, try changing the scene by attaching a block to the when run event. When run is the event, so we have to attach set scene. Set scene. We have to set a scene. Set a scene to the random, because in random and set speed fast. Gravity normal. I have chosen set gravity also. Yes, see, as you can see. Yes, wait. Yes, I have not doubting that, so it's not solving. 8th project now, it's have come. 8th project. Wait, just setting a random scene when another event. For even pressing an obstacle. Okay. When pass an obstacle, set scene. When pass an obstacle, set scene to center. Okay. Let's see it's working or not. I have passed an obstacle. Yes, it's working. After scoring a point, you have to lose, because if you will not lose, it will not speak that you have completed that stage. Puzzle 10. Okay, to mix things inside, let's go back to 0. See, now it's speaking that when Flappy hits an obstacle, set don't end the game, set score to 0. Okay, when Flappy hit an obstacle, set score to 0. Okay, Let's see. It's working. Oh, no. Yes, it's working. And now up 11. As you can see, create a non-flappy game. You can change the wheel gravity. See, now we can change from here gravity also of our game and sounds. We can change. So we will set gravity. Okay, set gravity. Set gravity high, because in high we have to see. It's working and return. Yes. Now you can keep playing. You can play and click on finish button to share it with your family and friends. So guys, this was this video. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye guys.